What was I going to talk about? I think I was going to talk about cutting my fingernails. That's the other thing. When I play the banjo, I play it with the back of my fingernail and my thumb. That's what I do the bungly bung 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 stuff with. And you can see this fingernail right here is all wore off on that corner. That's where my finger hits the strings. So a while back I bought these. I think they're German fingernail clippers. They look like that. And if you close them up and you move this little hickey-do right here, you can store them like that so you don't take a lot of room. But these are the best fingernail clippers I ever had. I mean, you can just cut your fingernails so easy. I literally, I had some of those big old fingernail clippers, and I almost, my wife said the same thing the other day, almost couldn't mash it hard enough to cut my old gnarly fingernails, especially my toenails. I got monster toenails. They look awful. But this thing here, you just mash it down a little bit and go snip, snip, and take some fingernails off, and sharp as all get out, and a lot easier not to wind up cutting yourself on this kind of fingernail clipper. So I recommend these. If they don't cost much, I think it's about $12 on Amazon, and that might be what they're called, is German fingernail clippers, but I don't see no name on them. If y'all get a chance to get you some of them, I'd recommend it. Get you some of them. So anyway, I'm going to cut my fingernails, and I got that thing tied up there, and I'll hang the other end of that in such a place where maybe I can hold that about right, and then we'll see if we can get a song out of it. I was saying the other day, and I'll say it again, I want to do more banjo videos. I may get my songbook out, put it down here, because I was saying a while ago maybe I'd do a song every morning, and all of my songs that I really know come from my church upbringing, because I was raised in a Baptist church, and we sang in there all the time. In fact, we used to have some wonderful times singing in the church. I got a lot of them old songs stuck in my head, but I can't necessarily always remember all the words. But anyway, I'm cutting my fingernails here just because when they're all long, it makes it harder for me to hit the strings I'm trying to hit. It's funny how I know old George, he used to fiberglass his fingernails to make them bigger and stronger, and I'm just the opposite. I cut mine all the way off. So different strokes for different folks. Hey, I got a chair right there. That rhymes. It's like I'm a poet. I could pull that chair over here and sit on it. Then I could sit in my chair and play a banjo. That would be much more nicer for me, at least. Ooh, that big old stainless steel chair does the trick, I tell you. So, am I too far away? Yeah, probably. Y'all are sitting on my tea glass, by the way. I won't be drinking my tea. So let's put myself up here and see if I can get comfy. Close that door right there. Well, it's hard to get that to latch from the way I got it mounted in there so close to that when it's next to it. Dang, I say, dang again. If it ain't one thing, it's something else. Come on now, come on. I might need my little fangs, my little leather man to get that thing in there. Yeah, that'll probably work. Reach it up in there. Yeah, you get onto that. You stay onto that. Come on now, act right. Good. I'll put this back. There was a time when I used to live with the false impression that I was going to catch up with everything I needed to do one of these days, and I realized that ain't never going to happen. What I need to do instead is just be happy with the way things are and live with it. Stop grumbling and complaining all the time like I'm prone to do. Oh, the joy. See now, pull this till it feels about right, and then I can tie a knot in that and cut it off. But for right now, I'm just going to wrap it around me. Just to do till I get ready to make an adjustment there. See, that's the way I want it. I want it to hang just like that. I'm tying this around my leg. How weird is that? Tying your banjo around your leg so it won't fall out of your lap. Peek. I don't know what to think about you sometimes, Peek. Silly boy. That's the right line there, but I'm going to stick with it. Things that are higher, things that are greater, please have a Lord my soul. Come on now. I will hasten to with my fingernail now. The other thing I need to just do is to sit in my lap right here. I put my foot up like that. We'll try that. I should have grabbed that songbook. I know where it's at. It's up there in the garage on that shelf right over my toolbox. Bye.